The next video, I'm going to show you the new BLI. It's a Paragon 3 Rolling Thunder, which I don't use. It's an EMD NW2 switcher. It's a Santa Fe, and it's got sound and DCC, and just got it yesterday, and we're going to test it out on the track. And there it is in the box, and then we'll get it out of there and we'll run it on the layout and see what's going on. Be back in a minute. Hard to believe that they can get all that sound in that little engine. I mean, it is N scale. That's speed step 1. That's 2. Now we'll do it in reverse. Typical, I got dirty track. Just a minute. It's got a die-cast frame on it, and detail is pretty good. Zoom down. Nice detail on the handrails. I think the cab part where the windows are with 2408. I think that's the only plastic thing. Everything else is metal on this thing. So, yeah, it needs to be broken in. I got to reprogram it from, DCC address 3 to 2408, and it'll do duty in Union Station. And I found I had a just turned it off. We used function 8 for that. I found that I had a 10% off from one of the hobby shops that I use. So I went ahead and got a Union Pacific version of this one. And I'll be using that also in Union Station, because between Santa Fe, which has the #1 amount of traffic, the Union Pacific has the second amount. And I do have a small switcher that's decaled for the Kansas City Terminal Railway, but it's just a tiny one, so I use that just for moving freight cars around. But anyway, nice looking little engine, and you can see the bottom of it here, and I think they did a nice job. I'm pretty pleased with it. And the S4 engine, that was a Bachmann, that's just DCC, no sound. I've moved up to work up here in the Tulsa or Elizabeth City area, and there it is sitting over there. I am painting this station. So I'm working on it piece by piece. There's a lot of windows to be painted, and I am putting the glass into that station with that crystal clear, I think it's called. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.